Hi, I'm Dr. Michelle Henry, and I'm here to talk to you about skincare boosters. Skincare boosters are specialized treatments which we use to literally boost your existing regimen. So let's say you want brighter skin or you're fighting acne. There are specific skin boosters to add to your creams to really kind of supercharge them. I sort of think of it as sprinkles on a sundae. So sometimes you want sprinkles to give you additional flavor, and sometimes you don't. It's a nice way to get more out of the products that you already love. Okay, so how do you choose the right booster? What's important about skincare boosters is that you focus on the problem or what you want to address. So let's say you have acne. One of my favorite skincare boosters for acne is the Odacite serum. The active ingredient is black cumin, and so it's fantastic for acne. It's anti-inflammatory and it's calming. What's great about this line is that all of the products are natural. Not only can you mix it with your creams or your masks, you can also use it alone. You can apply it over the entire face, or you can spot treat. So the next two boosters that we'll be discussing are by the Dr. Brandt line. They are the Power Dose Vitamin C and Vitamin D. It's for the vitamin C if you're looking to even out your skin tone, if you're looking to stimulate a little bit of collagen, the vitamin C is the booster for you. The vitamin D is great for someone who feels like their skin is losing its luster. It's more dull than it used to be. You can add them 4 or 5 drops to your moisturizer and apply them twice a day. So the next 3 boosters are unique in the fact that they are not to be applied to skin alone. They're to be mixed into your creams. This is a line by Clarins. The first is called Energy, and so it's made for kind of lackluster or dull skin. It has a little bit of ginseng, which is an excellent stimulant. The second is the Repair. It's really great for redness and kind of the irritation and inflammation we see in damaged skin. The last is Detox, and this is fantastic for what we call New York City skin. So it's for skin that's been suffering and battling the environment and all of the pollutants. It has a little bit of green tea, and that's a really great ingredient to really purify the skin. So the next 2 boosters that we'll be discussing are by Paula's Choice. The first is the Moisture Renewal Oil Booster, and the second is C15. So the Moisture Renewal Oil Booster is fantastic for dry skin. It's packed with ceramides and argan oil, which are really great for hydration. And ceramides are the building blocks of our skin. They help to optimize our moisturization. Replacing them in dry skin is a really powerful way to moisturize it. The second contains vitamin C and ferulic acid, both of which are really powerful antioxidants. So they both help to protect against free radicals and to protect against that damage that really destroys our collagen. So these are just a few great options. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you'll be incorporating any skincare boosters into your regimen, and leave any questions you have below.